Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I solve LeetCode problems and prepare to the code interview. Today's problem number 1155, number of dice rolls with target sum. You have n dice and each die has a k faces numbered from 1 to k. Given the integers n, k in target, return the number of possible ways out of k power n total ways to roll the dice. So the sum of the face type numbers equals target. Since the answer may be too large, return it modulo 10 power 9 plus 7. So let's do it. It's quite classical problem. It can be solved using recursive functions, and let's do it. We can use initial method numRolls to target and call it recursively. Each time we will decrease n by 1, so we can consider what we have n dices, and each turn we will decrement dice and number of dices by 1, and when n will be equals to 0, we will check if target alpha equals to 0, and then we increment final result by 1. If target will be less than 0, then don't increment final result. So first of all, let's check base case. Base case, if n equals to 0, so we don't have any dices to roll, and at the same time target alpha equals to 0. In this case, target is the remaining sum we need to collect. So if n equals to 0 and target equals to 0, in this case it return 1. It means we find one solution. Second base case, when n alpha equals to 0 or target less or equals to 0, it means that we don't have more dices to roll, or target became less and equals to 0, but we still have some dices. In this case, return 0. After it, let's check possible dices. So each dice has 1 to k, in this case k plus 1. Each dice has 1 to k possible numbers, so we can check all of them, and also we need some result variable, and let's increment possible ways of next roll. So let's decrement number of possible dices, k still the same, and target minus current number, and finally let's return result. That's it, all solution, and it should work, but quite ineffective. To do it better, let's add annotation cache. Cache is a local cache annotation which will remember the result of the function call with some n, k, and target. So we reduce number of recursion calls. So let's check tests. Yeah, you can see an error, it's because we need to return modular 10 power 9 plus 7. Now it should work. Check again. Yes, test passed. Submit it. So that's it. It's quite effective and simple and classical algorithm. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.